Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a golf cart tire. First, ensure you have all the necessary tools, including a jack, a lug wrench, and your replacement tire. Safety is paramount, so park your golf cart on a level, firm surface away from traffic. Before you even think about lifting the cart, use your lug wrench to slightly loosen the lug nuts on the wheel you plan to remove. This makes removal much easier once the cart is elevated. Once the lug nuts are slightly loose, it's time to lift the golf cart. Place your jack firmly under the cart's frame, ensuring it's on a solid point to prevent slipping. Slowly raise the cart until the tire you're changing is completely clear of the ground. Now, you can fully unscrew those lug nuts you loosened earlier. Keep them in a safe place. Then, carefully pull the old tire straight off the hub. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. On another note, after all that tire changing, you might be hungry. Make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks and meals fresh, whether you're on the golf course or just at home. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the old tire off, grab your new replacement tire. Carefully align its holes with the wheel studs on the golf cart's hub. Push the new tire firmly onto the studs. Once it's seated, hand tighten the lug nuts back onto each stud. Don't fully tighten them yet. Now, slowly lower the golf cart until the tire is back on the ground. With the cart's weight on the tire, you can now fully tighten all the lug nuts securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.